Big tractor.
Daddy.
Yeah. Oh, look. See, yeah. Let's go this way, baby. Let's go this way. And yeah, U N I V E R S A L. Universal.
Welcome to TickleBox.
All aboard! Hi, baby Seth. What you doing, baby Seth? There is a tractor. Yay! Yeah, tractor. That's a tractor right there. Tractor. Let's go check it out, baby Seth. Come on. Come on. See, tractor, look. See, tractor. Ooh, big machine. Wow, big machine. Wow. Yeah, big machine. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Ooh. Big tire, huh? Yeah, big tractor, baby. Big tractor.
Daddy.
Yeah. Oh, look. See, yeah. Let's go this way, baby. Let's go this way. Go this way, ma. Go this way. Go this way. Come on. Wow. That's a big tractor. Ooh, what's that say? Look. What's that say? U N yeah, U N I V E R S A L. Universal. Yeah. Trucking company. We want. Yeah, you see it? Yeah, big trucky. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. Come here, baby. Ooh, huh? Big tire. Look at big tire. You see big tire? Oh, yucky, yucky. Come on. Don't touch. Oh, little pieces. Don't touch. Yucky. Yeah. Come here, baby. Come here. Yeah. Come here. Look, look, look. Come here. Ooh, look at that. Big tubing. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, look, big tubing. Whoa, look at that. Touch it. Big tubing, look. See? Big tubing. Yeah, big tubing, huh? Maybe. Baby, look. Whoa. That's a big tubing. Baby, you like big truck? Leaf, yeah, you like big truck? Big truck, huh? Big truck, look at that. Big. What is that? Cone, yeah, that's a cone, baby. Yeah, safety cone. Yeah, look. Yeah. Yeah, look at that, oh, cool. Okay, come on, this way, hold hand, hold hand. Hold hand, let's go this way. Big trucking company. Big trucking company. Oh yeah, come on. Come on. Big trucking company. Whoa, look at that. Big trucking company, come on. Whoa. What's that? Big trucking company. Whoa. Ooh, look at that.
Oh.
What is that? What is in there? Whoa, big trucking company. Wow. Oh, baby. Look at that. That's what a link, huh? Let's see. Let's see. Hello. Hello. I see you. Do it again. Hello. Hello. Yeah, I see you. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, big trucking company, huh? Oh, look, baby, look. Ooh, look at the drill. Look at the drill, baby. Look at the drill. Whoa. Wow, look at the drill. See the drill? Big drill, yeah. Wow. That's where the drill and it go into the dirt, baby. That's where they go in the dirt. Yeah. That's where they go in the dirt, man. Look at this, go dirt. Yeah. That's why they dig into the dirt. I think they grind in. Yeah. Come on. Come on this way. Come on this way. Come on. Oh no, come on this way. Hold hand. Come on. Yeah. Ooh, look at it. This is where they turn the power on. Right there, the power. And they lift the machine up, baby. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Big tractor. Big tractor. Yeah. Big tractor. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay! Let's jump, baby. Go yay! Go yay! Jump! Yay! Jump! Jump, baby, jump! Yay! Big tractor, baby. Point that way. Who's that? Who's that over there? Who's that? Jump, baby, jump! Jump! Yay! Jump, baby, jump! Jump, baby, jump! Yeah, tractor. You looking at, huh? Wow, big tractor. Awesome. Hi. Hi, baby Seth. Hello. You see tractor? That's tractor, big tractor. Tractor. Yeah, that's what they're working. They used to work, baby. Okay, let's go. Hold hand. Hold hand. Say bye-bye, tractor. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, tractor. Go bye-bye. Bye-bye, tractor. Yeah. What's this? Say bye-bye, tractor. Yeah, bye-bye. Go bye-bye. I'll see you next video. Yeah, bye-bye. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, let's go. Yeah, made it. We made it. Whoa. Oh yeah. You bought a new one? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, M&M. Yeah. Yeah, M&M. Yeah. Yummy. Can Dad open one? Can Dad open one for you? Okay, here you go. Here you go, baby. There you go, Mom. Oh, thank you. One more for Daddy. Oh, what? Yeah, new one. Here's a new one here. No, oh, you want? Oh, you drop it. Wait, hold that. Yeah. Okay, here. Yeah, okay, here. There we go. Yeah, yum. He's like yum. Yeah. Yum. That's good. Thumbs up. That's good. Thumb up. That's good, huh? Hey, what's up there? What's up there? What's going? What is that? Here you go, Mom.
If you like this video and you want to see more videos, please subscribe and I'll see you on the next video.